said, but they can't keep their speed going over a particularly long distance. So their best form of defence, if they get a really big fright, or particularly if they feel cornered, is an extremely powerful kick. So pretty much all 4 of their legs can kick out in any direction at any time with very little notice. Obviously they have really large hooves attached to the end of those legs as well. So one story that I've heard about how powerful they are when they kick is that one single kick from a giraffe's leg has killed a lion straight out. So that's not something that us zookeepers would like to experience. So for safety reasons here, that's why we try not to work in the paddock at the same time as the giraffe, and we always make sure there's a fence between us and them, and we move them around to different areas using training and food rewards and positive reinforcement. So finally, I'll finish on a positive note. So unlike a lot of other animals that you will see throughout the zoo today that are becoming increasingly rare and endangered, that's not the case for giraffe in the wild at the moment. They're currently classified by the IUCN as a low risk or a least concern animal. So that means they're at low risk of becoming endangered within the next few years' time, as long as we look after them properly, and particularly the national park areas that they now mainly live in. So I will conclude my talk on that note, and I'd now like to welcome anyone that's participating in our Giraffes in Focus photo session. If you haven't heard of that, that's the opportunity to come on the platform here and hand feed one of our giraffes a carrot and have your photo professionally taken. It does cost $24.95, and I suspect we may have actually sold out for today. I'm just being told, yes, we have sold out for today. So for those of you that have pre-purchased tickets, if you'd like to start to form a queue from the gate here, form a queue single file down the fence line, not across the road, but along the fence line, please, and we will get to you shortly. Everyone else, thanks a lot for listening, and please enjoy the rest of your day.